Welcome to 4054 Webb Court. This charming 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, all brick home, the covered front porch, side patio, and beautiful hardwood flooring inside. It's located in the established Belvedere neighborhood in central Columbia, convenient to downtown, area hospitals, as well as I-20. So we're out front. You can see there is a nice 2-car wide driveway here and some nice brickwork along the front of the home. You can see a very attractive home from the outside as well. You have a few crepe myrtles here in the front yard. Nice walkway leading up to the covered front porch, as you can see, and some nice detailing on the right arm of the stairs also. So we'll take a look inside. So once you enter into the formal living room, off the entry, you notice a beautiful hardwood flooring, as we mentioned throughout. There's just a bit of tile here as you enter, which is a nice feature. If you have wet feet coming in, just protects those wood floors a little bit. But again, a formal living room off the entry, access to the hallway there, and nice bank of windows looking out over the front porch and yard. Very nice sized room, as you can see, and it is open and connects to the formal dining room. It has a nice view of the backyard. Bedrooms to our left, but to our right is the kitchen. It has a nice eat-in dining area or breakfast area itself. You can see a pass through to the family room beyond. The kitchen has been nicely updated with white cabinets, countertops, and you also have white appliances. There's a side-by-side refrigerator, dishwasher, as well as electric stove, and a nice window over the kitchen sink overlooking the backyard. You do have a full-size laundry room in here as well. Side-by-side washer dryer connections and some nice shelving above. The family room has a decorative brick fireplace at the end, and you can see some nice built-in shelving on this wall. Some nice drawers and shelves, and those flank the entry to the half bathroom, which has tile flooring and a single vanity, conveniently placed for guests and also just to give ease of access from the family room. Also have a coat/storage closet in here as well, which is nice and deep, hanging rod and a couple shelves. And as you can see, again, the fireplace with the nice big mantle. You do have crown molding in this room, I believe also in the formal living and dining room as well. And out the side door, you have access to the outside of the property and backyard. So you have a nice patio here, sort of blocked off from the front with that nice brickwork. Nice brick planter along the side as well. And patio faces out on the side here out to the backyard. Access via this sidewalk. And you can see you have a nice sized backyard. Nice and open with a workshop/shed back there. There is an outlet out there. A power switch and outlet, so that may be a powered workshop as well, but you would want to confirm that. So back inside, we'll take a look at the bedrooms, which are, as we mentioned, just on the other side of the formal dining room here. At least the first of 3 is. So you have access to this room, as you can see, which has a couple of windows out towards the back and a smaller closet. And this room doesn't have to be a bedroom technically. It does have, as you can see, again, closes off from that dining room and off from the hall, but you can use that for another sitting area or office, however you need or want to. 2 additional bedrooms over here share this full bathroom off the hall. Just nice and bright, white tile, and a shower and tub. And then you have a single vanity here and large mirror as well, and some strip lighting above. And then 2 bedrooms, which are both a nice size. This one faces the backyard, So on the back corner of the house, back right corner if you're facing from the backyard itself, and has 2 closets. I believe those do actually connect in the middle, so they're sort of just one big closet, but you have 2 doors. A linen closet here in the hallway, or actually it's more set up as a coat closet, but you can use it however you like. And last but not least, our front facing bedroom. Windows on 2 walls here, as well as sort of more standard size closet on that wall as well. And then we also have an attic access hatch, which may have some storage up there also. So that completes our tour of this home at 4054 Webb Court in Columbia. You can find out more information online at sc.purepm.co.